Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Total outstanding of the debt is gone from 16,823 crore, which was in 2016-17, and now it has gone to up to 35,312 crore for 25-26. जेन्ना आमकां तुमगे एनेक्साचे दाखोवन दिता की गव्हर्मेंटाक गेलो कॅपिटल लोन मेळटा फ्री ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 50 वर्स हारी करपाचो आनी हो कॅपिटल लोन म्हणजे तुज्यान GSIDC उजा करूं जाता हे सगळे इन्फ्रा डेव्हलपमेंटा उजा करूं जाता.
It is headed, Speaker sir, it is headed by the leader of opposition.
Speaker made an allegation on you and the Congress government that 35,000 crore scam was there. He spoke about it in public domain also. So please, Speaker sir, nothing stops him. It is in.
I have raised a point of order. Honorable Speaker is entirely.
The point of order is invalid.
तो कितें म्हणटा की सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची ऑब्जर्वेशन आहा की असो सॉफ्ट लोन मेळटना तुम्ही मार्केट बोरोइंग्स कित्याक करता काय म्हणून तातूंत ताजो पॉयंट आहा. सो हिज क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट.
बेन्झीन जो प्रश्न विचारला पळय न्ही, ओके, आमी हातूंत खंयसरूच फुटोवंक ना. फॉर दॅट पर्पज तो जे सांगता की CAGन रिकमेंड केला, वी हॅव ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म to the government of India. The question including the off-budget borrowing, which does not arise, the Goa debt to the GSDP ratio is anyway about 25%. आमी हो लिपोवपाचो प्रश्न ना. आमी वयल्यान हो जो आहा पळय न्ही डेट टू द GSDP रेशियो हो 30 वयल्यान आतां 27चेर कसो हाडला, ताचो रेशियोय बी ताका क्लियर कट दिला. गॅरंटी सिलींग जे आहा पळय न्ही, हे इट इज अ लेस देन 1,500. वी हॅव अचीव द टार्गेट दिस इयर, which is a guarantee ceiling limit is a 234 crores. Target achieved. फक्त outstanding debt to the GSDP एक रेशियो जो आहा पळय न्ही, हो आमी आतां 27चेर पावला आनी हो मेन्शन केला.